Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen begins National Integration Week observance. Call upon Manpeg and Kokumi leaders for talks to bridge public-government communication gap. CPI Manipur boycotts upcoming Sangai Festival. Party slams government for trying to celebrate Sangai Festival forcefully amidst chaos. $18-hour total statewide shutdown by Manpeg against Citizenship Amendment Bill cripples normal life in Manipur. And police detains 4 leaders of Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill Manpeg for some hours for calling statewide total shutdown. A very good evening to you all. I'm Colonel Sambandaram presenting you the prime time English news. Now let's begin our bulletin with the top stories of today. Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen begins Kwame Ekta Week or National Integration Week observance in Manipur today. State government organized the event at the banquet hall of 1st Manipur Rifles Battalion. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Bireen appealed to representatives of Kokumi and Manpeg to hold conversations with the government to bridge existing communication gap between the people and the government in order to whip out people's apprehension regarding Citizenship Amendment Bill and the Naga peace talks. He asserted that the government is taking full responsibility to preserve the unity and administrative structure of Manipur. Bireen also called upon people to shun bun culture as it greatly affects the daily bread earners. He asserted that the government is with the people and added that even the central leaders have assured to consider the people's interest. The Chief Ministers opined that communal opinions on various states' issues expressed by some experts during the discussion program on local television channels have a great potential to create more issues in the state. He appealed to those concerned to ensure that discussions are focused on the topic and not beyond the parameters set for discussion.
Hector general strike option be I coisi Namaga Hamaga Moy Sasan Tony having more lapum vicinity, 8 of Honing. At least point to Kari or Kamata, we have to say. Government Malay. A quick government like we are able to put up we have an Amanico. No electricity are in all of the Prazana Hota Kalagasu in all of the elected government, popular government. I couldn't slowly, because if foggy. Manipur Yapun, the Septum, the Matang, the Quineric slowly. Manipur administrative structure, the Swan, the Navi Matang, the Adugumi assurance lay a Quineric slowly. Cape Matanga, so a Queen Highway Nordiski lady with interest. Hanagi lady with Exing, Karigishing Shikoi, overlooked over a sea. Honorable Home Minister, assurance speaking, Til Kangana. General strike, but Namata with the Manipur Kayam Mangel. Queen Manipur say, Kayam Waba Praza, lady say, Ubina Mani the Mayam so.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen encouraged people to be optimistic about the fact that the present generation is fighting against various chronic issues like border issues, Kuki and Naga issues, etc. He urged people to strive to eliminate such issues and bring peace for the upcoming generation.
I amukushu ay apil togjari Kokomi sinawsing lapio wari sasi Manpeg ki su lapio wari sasi leiba ki obe poni koi masen khaidong na sa payaroi akoi masen inthok na nang tau na mana tau grei li hoge na haibe yaroi da badu mai suni akoi punna sanminasi punna thengaminasi akoi matamda border issue oigera naga gi issue oigera kuki gi issue oigera or Cape ki wagera loina khoi matam no julai se misa khoi lai phobne no se challenge mani ana sina khoi future se ngasi khoi na tawrang godori ba struggle ngasi khoi na khona rang godori ba tawri ba posina tungi mirol da di yam ingle horane tungi mirol da di shanti le horane akhoi gi ngasi gi lei ba chaos unrest sitting mirol da khoi piram gum se mon.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Bireen announced that the state government has started taking measures to prevent unnecessary calling of band and strikes in the state. He warned that legal actions will be taken against those who called today's Bandh. Birain maintained that the state government has already notified government's employees to carry out works as usual and to be present in their office today. He further warned that the government will impose fines and cancelled vendor license for those shopkeepers who closed their shops in today's total shutdown. Agriculture Minister V. Hankaliant, Cabinet Ministers, MLAs, DGP, Additional Chief Secretary and top government officials attended the event. Chief Minister Birain laid the attendees in taking a pledge to protect the unity of the state on the occasion. It may be mentioned that Kwame Ekta Week is being observed in reverence to former Women Prime Minister of India, late Indira Gandhi, on her birth anniversary.
Normally, hingnabagi struggle the lady for Pradama, I'm checking so quick a conjeva. When I could Bandama Korumdai, when a general Amatorumdai, Mashisha Kanjeva, Naramione, Zanga Pika, Yon Javanupi, Madugi, Zanga Pidu, Yolama Masagi, seeing Lane Buddha Mushe, Hector Laga, Nepika Laga, Hayley, Copkit and a cop Hagan. As if Moi Krasidana Heta, Livak Nushiraba, Moina Padiate, Livak Nushivali Trabuto, Sukumas, a quick counter to Womatamule. Whim Karada, but Pazana Targa Nium to Madrid Inche. Inche to command to Tassi. Not over the way, Punchet Lagumsi. I don't know, office cavio, Dukan Hang Vioid. Dukan Hang the wishing shoe, ordered for Crenoip license Kakanema. License for Kapung was loin to look a penalty low. Penalty low in a penalty to one. Listen, Manga, Tigera, police officer DJ. Go ahead, Corrigino, yeah, a tomb on the high get in the record. So on the high get in the Maram Sabasada.
Communist Party of India, CPI, State Secretary Laishram Sotin Kumar has boycotted the upcoming Sangai festival and criticized the government for trying to celebrate the festival forcefully amidst chaos in the state. He demanded the Chief Minister to resign from his post if he is not going to act as per public's interest. Speaking on the sideline of a CPI meet held at Irawat Bhavan today, L. Sotin Kumar condemned the BJP-led state government for not taking measures against passing of citizenship amendment bill in the ongoing parliament session. He also condemned that the state government has sent out MLAs to pacify people by giving false assurance that CAB means no harm to Manipur. Sotin Kumar asserted that CPI is all set to strive against the same along with people of Manipur and other northeast states.
Citizenship Amendment Bill ki framework agreement ki sathi babasta kaya da Sangai Festival masima pura puri akoi boycott tore praja miyam no somat yobi gano adu loire na akoi party na are palaitana an balaitana phambiba bharot ki lok sabha ki rajya sabha ki election akoi mifam ase masida akoi floor coordination tawna bi damak lep ki dol sing Congress party adu loire janata dol united amadi akoi seri sangma ki party atay mayam sing se yamning thina contact torkanda bharot ki parliament su floor coordination torkanda citizenship amendment bill se masi chana handana ba khoi taksalli
18-hour statewide total shutdown called by Manipur against passing of citizenship amendment bill in the ongoing winter sessions of the parliament since last midnight has greatly affected normal life in the state. Manipur had announced the total shutdown, extending solidarity to NEFIP against the same. All roads, including inter-district roads, bore deserted looks except for few vehicles plying on emergency. Main business centers of the state like the Quairamban, Pauna and Thangal markets and major markets of every district remained shut down. Most of the government offices and government educational institutions were opened. However, attendance of staffs and students were low. State police and central paramilitary forces are being deployed at strategic locations to avoid any untoward incidents. Protest demonstrations were carried out in various parts of the state, but there is no report of any untoward incidents. The total shutdown, which started last midnight, ended this evening at 6 p.m. On the other hand, attendance of a secretariat employees was high today during the total shutdown called by Manpek, but the rate of people coming to meet the officials was very low. Manpek's 18-hour statewide total shutdown against passing of Citizenship Amendment Bill (CAB) in the ongoing parliament also affected normal life at Indo-Myanmar border town Mori today. International business transaction between Myanmar and Manipur came to a standstill. Shops at Namphalong market of Myanmar remained closed. Passenger vehicles applying from Mori to Imphal halted at Mori town parking, and no passenger vehicles from Imphal reached Mori during the band. The 18-hour total shutdown called by Manpek also crippled normal life in Vishnupur district today. Attendance of government employees in offices was low despite notification to attend office during the shutdown. Marketplaces were deserted, looks and vehicles remained off roads. Women folks and club members of Nongada and Kameng Khunjao protested by sitting on the Nongada Makhalekai Road in support of the statewide 18-hour total shutdown called by Manpek against tabling of the Citizenship Amendment Bill in the ongoing parliament session. Meanwhile, people of Haubam Marak, Kaisham Laikai also blocked Mayai Lambi in protest against the same. Local clubs and Mairapaibi associations of Yashkult Moirangkhom and residents of Moirangkhom Kabui village also carried out alert protests made at Yashkult Moirangkhom against threat to Manipur by Naga peace talks and Citizenship Amendment Bill today. One protesters, Alangmai Kamai, asserted that peaceful coexistence of hills and valley inhabitants of the state must not be threatened by the final outcome of the Naga peace talks, and Citizenship Amendment Bill cannot be forcefully passed in the ongoing parliament session.
Asida sunne akhoi ngasigi maru oinadi akhoi KF gi CAB gi bill se asigi matang na sumoro oina akhoi phambani asi akhoi yaba ngamjade mesi sanaba yaroi hoji parliament sida asi bill se pass toba yaroi haiba sida akhoi su yaujabani o masit kariguma tawraga su akhoi punna manipurna haurakpa makhai se akhoi so dum saruk yagani haiba se tham.
Members of Haubam Marag Women's Social Reformation and Development Samaj also staged sit-in at Haubam Marag Kangjam Laikai today. They chanted various slogans against any threat to Manipur and against Citizenship Amendment Bill. Residents of Singzamai Chingamaka also carried out protest demonstrations at Liwa Road today against threats to Manipur by Naga peace talks and Citizenship Amendment Bill. Protesters formed human chain and chanted various slogans. The total shutdown since last midnight called by Manpek also crippled normal life in Jiribam district today. Markets and educational institutions remained closed and vehicles remained off the road in the district. Volunteers of Manpek block roads in protest. Jiribam district police gave a strict visits to avoid any untoward incidents. Police detained 4 leaders of Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill Manpek briefly for calling the statewide total shutdown today. Impact News sources said that the police team led by Imphal West Additional SP Operation Eld Amarjit Peak of Manpek convener Yumnam Cha Dilip Kumar, co-conveners Laisangbam Jadumani, member Yengkhom Krishnadas and member Oinam Ratan near the water reservoir of Sagolband Nepra Menjor Laikai at around 2:30 p.m. p.m. They were reportedly picked up for a meeting with Imphal West SP and were later released at around 6 p.m. with a warning from the SP against carrying out agitations disrupting the harmony of the state. Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization MMWO has strongly condemned the police arrest of MMWO President Fundraimayum Abdullah Pathan, who is also a member of Manpek and Kokomi, without any arrest memo. Speaking to media at MMWO office in Hatta today, MMWO General Secretary Aminuddin Moijingmayum said that Imphal East Police arrested Abdullah Pathan from Chekond area at around 10 a.m. yesterday. He criticized the state government for arresting Fundraimayum Abdullah Pathan in its efforts to calm down the people's movement. Aminuddin warned that MMWO, along with other organizations and people of the state, will carry out intense agitations until Abdullah Pathan is released unconditionally at the earliest.
Asigumnaba Lebak Ningba Mio Amabo, Lebaki is nothing of one of the puzzle Tabi Bavasi Masita Singna, Lupasini Yaning, Amusung, Lamdamasiki Miamasu Yaning Rohena, Agimota Tamjeri, Loena, Asigum Lava, Apik Pakanlupo, Hunting Mo, say Masigo Beneto Bicano, the Singna, Lebaki is Sugitum the Tolaka Miku Maxuma, passing puzzle Tabi Batagdi, Nasi, I could Lebasicari or I have saying a sig Lamdamasiva Paliba, the Langana, Muna Kantavi with that galley. Abdullah Fundre Mayumbo, Kandisanamata Yaudana, Atu Matam the Tado Piranaba. Government ki maikaida khangaziri karigumba Abdullah Fundre me thadok te bata agadi Manipur Muslim Welfare Organization amasung lamdamasigi miyam punna khusam naraga akanba khongjang changsilakni habase ngasi media gi manga thamjari.
Well, now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on a special report about the pathetic conditions of the incomplete tourism and craft center at the foothill of Nambold, Maibam, Lotpaching. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Tourism and Craft Center at the foothill of Nambold, Maibam Lotpa Hill has turned into a heaven for intoxicant abusers. Impact News Vishnupur correspondent Sagolsev Naresh brings you a special report in this regard.
Constructions of the Tourism and Craft Center at Maibam Lotpaching in Bishnupur district began under the Manipur Tourism Department during the Congress reign in 2009 and 10, but the incomplete center has now become a favorite spot for drug users and alcoholics. A senior villager and a former vice president of Indo-Japan Friendship Association, Taurem Gauramohan, said that building of the center began after former tourism minister T.N. Haukip laid the foundation stone for the same in 2009.
Fajana Bulusan Bidi Koi Lucian Bapami, Lucian and Tambasi Koi Yamangi, Nasiba Lupa Magiman Canade.
After the center remained neglected by the government for years, one Maibam Ibitombi even cultivated mushrooms in the whole of the tourism center in 2015 with the permission from the village. A villager said that drug users from various places frequent the center for their discreet rendezvous. He said that the villagers have even caught the miscreant red-handed many times. He expressed disappointment that the center was never completed and appealed to concerned authorities to let the villagers utilize the center for their benefits.
Hudik sabinina sabira kanda kaisu kanaba phangdana sum thambasina de masi khungang laikai sida leiba loina na lamdagi lakba mi singna mafam sida sanai unai bam oidana adagi nungdang athengbada law khongdana mayamgi punbam chak chana bam oidana leireba masi government yamna thu matamda yam thu baibu yam thu matamda masi mieng changhaningi.
A Mairapabi woman of the village lamented that the villagers agreed for the constructions of the center, hoping that it would benefit the villagers, but not to avail till that.
Hek chagiba numitagi karigumba makata ba thaba ama baucha thabidana leire sigumba mafamse aikoi Mairapabi na tasengna oiriba mawongse nungaijade aduna ngammaroi hairagadi ran tawba ngammaroi hairagadi ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯅꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯀꯥꯏꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯒꯗꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯄꯥꯡꯊꯣꯛꯆꯔꯒꯦ ꯃꯐꯝꯁꯤꯗ
Bureau Report, Impact News.
Welcome back. Jiribam District Police has seized 8.5 kilograms of opium worth around 7 lakh and 75,000 rupees from 3 miscreants on Infal Jiribam Road. Impact News sources said that personnel of Jiribam Police and anti-drugs cell jointly arrested the 3 miscreants carrying the contraband drug in a Nishan Micra car near Langangpokpi village yesterday at around 4:30 p.m. The arrested persons are 25 years old Saitin Kupt Khongsai, son of Ngam Japao Khongsai from the Gangpi Kond village, Gangpokpi district, 34-year-old Deepak Sivakoti, son of a late Ganga Prasad from Kanto, Premnagar in Fal West, and 46-year-old Vagirat Luiteld, son of a late Chandra Prasad Luiteld from Kangla Tombi, Hatikua village. On further inquiry, it came to light that the drugs were supposed to be smuggled out from Manipur to Shillong. Jiribam police has registered a case and investigations are underway. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC observed the 102nd birth anniversary of India's only women Prime Minister, late Indira Gandhi, at Congress Bhavan today. MPCC members and Sevadal representatives took part in the event. Attendees paid floral tribute to the portrait of the former Prime Minister. Jawaharlal Nehru University Centre, Manipur, popularly known as Manipur University, observed its 47th Foundation Day today. The first Chief Minister of Manipur after it attained statehood, Muhammad Alimuddin, laid the foundation stone for the university in 1972, which came to be known as Manipur University in 1980 and was upgraded into a central university in 2005. Manipur University Students' Union MUSU 2018-19 organized the event at the Senate Hall of Department of Earth Sciences. Taking part in the event, MUSU 2018-19 President K. Levanan stated that a foundation day of the university will be included in the annual calendar program of MUSU starting this year. He added that Pangal Political Forum Manipur PPFM has been observing the day in remembrance of the former Chief Minister. Lebanon condemned that Manipur University, which is a central university, still lacks a regular vice-chancellor since October last year. He also expressed disappointment that the UGC has failed to take any actions against former vice-chancellor of the university, A.P. Pandey, despite apprising UGC about his misconduct in written. Close associate of the former Chief Minister, veteran politician Okram Joy, also attended the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ AP ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯆꯥꯎꯅ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠ ꯆꯥꯝꯃꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯇꯥꯟꯊꯣꯛꯄꯒꯤ ꯏꯍꯧ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯦꯇꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯀꯟꯚꯤꯅꯦꯟꯁ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯊꯣꯛꯑꯦ ꯀꯩ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯕꯗ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯀꯦꯁ ꯑꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯂꯣꯏꯁꯟꯈ꯭ꯔ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯉꯁꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯊꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯤ ꯃꯔꯥ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ UGCꯗꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯃꯠꯇ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯃꯠꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯂꯛꯄ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯑꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯣꯝꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯇꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯁꯨꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯃꯨꯁꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯠꯇꯒꯤ ꯀꯌꯥꯃꯔꯨꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯆꯦ ꯊꯥꯖꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯦꯜꯗ ꯍꯪꯖꯈꯤꯕ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯟꯗꯤ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯒꯨꯂꯔ BC ꯑꯃ ꯍꯥꯞꯄꯤꯔꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎ ꯂꯩꯇꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯊꯃꯣꯏꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯗ ꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯣꯛ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯅꯨꯃꯤꯠꯇ ꯊꯣꯛꯂꯛꯀꯗꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯄꯥꯏꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯨ ꯐꯥꯎꯗꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯍꯥꯏ
The National Cadet Corps NCC group involved inducted the Microlight Aircraft Virus SW80 to facilitate flight training for its cadets at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport today. Gracing the event, Chief Minister Nongthongban Birain said that a Microlight Aircraft Virus SW80 is a powered-driven single-propellered aircraft which would provide NCC cadets of Manipur maximum flying exposure. He thanked the NCC for taking such initiative for the NCC cadet of the state. Education Minister T.H. Radheshyam, Brigadier R.S. Sethi, and CC officers and cadets attended the event. Commandant of 69th CRPF Battalion, Omkar Nath Singh, inaugurated a toilet and a bathroom shed at Haingang Laikai under the battalion's Civic Action Program today. The battalion took the initiative in support of Swachhata Hi Seva, initiated by the Indian government for a sanitized environment and to strengthen ties between CRPF and the locals. 69th Battalion officers, Pradhan of the locality and women folks attended the event.
पहले ज़माने में हम लोग जब छोटा था तो पुलिस के देख करके हम लोग गांव से भाग जाता था हर जगह, लेकिन इस तरह के प्रोग्राम करने से पब्लिक और पुलिस के बीच में दूरियां कम हो जाती हैं। हम उनकी समस्याओं को सुन करके जहां एप्रोप्रिएट अथॉरिटी होती है उस तक पहुंचाते हैं। अपने आईजी मणिपुर नागालैंड सेक्टर को धन्यवाद देता हूं कि जो हमको वो सिविक एक्शन के अंदर कुछ प्रोग्राम करने के लिए समझा और उसके लिए उपयुक्त धनराशि दिया। ये हमारा चौथा प्रोग्राम है, 3 प्रोग्राम हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं।
Manireda Director Lauremba Manglem has asserted that more than 400 consumer and promoters were provided rooftop solar plates with 70% subsidy by Manipur Renewable Energy Development Agency, Manireda, since 2016. He had urged people to avail the opportunities which end this December. Speaking to media at Manireda office in North AOC Secure Building today, Director Manglem said that one can apply for the facilities online through the official website of Manireda. The Manireda director disclosed that MSPDCL will take over the scheme from next year and subsidy will be reduced to 40%. Stating that special opportunities are provided to local clubs, NGOs and societies. He appealed to avail the opportunity.
rooftop solar icon ama yawbani madura click tawboda koigi one page form ama yawi madura kanagumba madubu kanaba lobi ningba singna magi maming matha magi particular sing apkalaga submit tawu matamda koida dum madugi form submit tore jakuna dum khangjagan ki solar gi rooftop project sigi life si sahi kunmanga gi life ni adu ngasi koina kilobu matamda rungda lakada sahi kunmanga sigi mai si pull up lesson daga samane aduga sigi damakta india government sama do humputra subsidy piri sama do kuntra amadi sana putokodobni adu hairiba si लालिबा कोई दिसंबर के तारीख 15 स्वाई की मतुंगददी सब्सिडी से चामदा कोई निफुदा हंदग्रानी अदुसु किलोवाट अहुमना सीलिंग होइगनी हुजिकती अखोई मी मन किलोवाट अदुम मागी इवन 4 भाव तौबे कोई हाना सेंशन तौब्रेपसि लोर मतुंगददी स्कीम से कंप्लीटली मोइना नौनामु एमेंट तौथोखरे चेंज तौथोखरे.
A combined team of 6 Assam Rifle and Infal East Commando, including women police, arrested a suspected active member of a proscribed KCP Noyon group from her residence yesterday at around 10:40 a.m. The arrested woman is 40-year-old Ningthaujam Ningol Khaidem Ongbi Ranjana alias Lakshmi, wife of Khaidem Ibomcha from Lamlai Mayai Laikai under Lamlai Police Station in Infal East District. Lamlai Police Station has registered a case against Ranjana and investigations are underway. Bishnupur DC has prohibited movement of vehicles used in agricultural activities on the public roads as they bring muds and other materials bringing inconveniences to the public and may even lead to road mishaps. Press release from the office further prohibit all kinds of threshing machineries on road in Bishnupur district for public safety. Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongtomam Birend begins National Integration Week observance. Call upon Manpack and Kokomi leaders for talks to bridge public-government communication gap. CPI Manipur boycotts upcoming Sangai Festival. Party slams government for trying to celebrate Sangai Festival forcefully amidst chaos. An 18-hour total statewide shutdown by Manpack against Citizenship Amendment Bill cripples normal life in Manipur. And police detains 4 leaders of Manipur people against Citizenship Amendment Bill Manpack for some hours for calling statewide total shutdown.